Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle, your go-to channel for all things health, fitness, and delicious keto recipes. In today's video, we have something special for all the dessert lovers who are following the keto lifestyle. In today's video, I want to show you the secret of keto after 50 desserts. First, we have a delicious keto chocolate lava cake. For this recipe, you'll need almond flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, erythritol, eggs, and some melted unsweetened chocolate. Watch as we guide you through every step, from mixing the ingredients to achieving the perfect filling. Trust us, this dessert will change the game. Now, let's move on to the refreshing keto strawberry cheesecake. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to whip up this delightful whipped cream and fruit. Grab some almond flour, cream cheese, fresh strawberries, and a little vanilla extract. We'll show you how to make a delicious cheesecake filling and almond butter crust. It's the perfect treat for a sunny afternoon. But wait a minute, we can't forget the keto-friendly cookies. We'll show you our secret recipe for chewy chocolate chip cookies that will make you forget they're low-carb. Our special ingredient combinations ensure you get that perfect texture and flavor while remaining in control of your macros. Say goodbye to cravings and welcome guilt-free indulgence. Throughout the demonstrations, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you get the best results. From substituting ingredients to baking techniques, we'll help you. We will also highlight the health benefits of the key ingredients used in each recipe. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how these desserts can boost your energy, promote weight loss, and support your overall health. So click the link under the comments to explore them all. Be prepared to treat yourself without guilt. Keto after 50 desserts. This revolutionary program, in partnership with Nutrition Hacks, is here to make your diet journey sweeter. Imagine enjoying delicious, sugar-free, low-carb desserts while staying true to your diet. With Keto after 50 desserts, you can enjoy the joys of dessert without sacrificing your health or taste buds. It's time to say goodbye to processed sugar and welcome guilt-free indulgence. The key features and benefits of keto after 50 desserts are truly remarkable. Each dessert recipe has been carefully crafted and tested by thousands of beta users, ensuring great taste and satisfaction. These desserts are not only scrumptious, but also packed with nutrient-rich ingredients that boost the immune system, boost metabolism, provide energy for the day, improve mental clarity, and satisfy cravings. Sweet. By incorporating keto after 50 desserts into your routine, you can enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty. Whether it's a wonderful chocolate, infused black forest cake, or a delicious banana ice cream topped with your favorite toppings, these desserts will leave you satisfied. The show offers an extensive collection of recipes, including cakes, cookies, chocolates, frozen treats, and more, ensuring there's always something to suit everyone's taste. But here's the best part. Through our exclusive affiliate link, you can take advantage of special offers and discounts. Just click on the link in the video description below, and you will get access to this amazing product at a discounted price. That's how we help you on your keto journey while enjoying the desserts you love. So why wait? Take advantage of this incredible opportunity and enhance your keto dessert experience with Keto after 50 desserts. We have introduced to you the game-changing affiliate product, Keto after 50 desserts, designed specifically for men and women over 50. This revolutionary program allows you to enjoy delicious, sugar-free, low-carb desserts while reaping the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle. By incorporating keto after 50 desserts into your routine, you can boost your immune system, boost your metabolism, and enjoy the pleasure of dessert without compromising your health. Thank you for joining us on this delectable journey through the world of keto desserts. If you're craving more mouthwatering recipes and want to enjoy guilt-free desserts while staying on track with your health goals, then it's time to take action. Click on the link in the video description to discover the incredible Keto After 50 Desserts course. Say goodbye to sacrificing your favorite treats and hello to a healthier, sweeter life. Don't miss out on the exclusive discounts and offers available only through our affiliate link. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you more tips, tricks, and delicious keto recipes to help you live a vibrant and healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and want to share your thoughts, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite keto dessert or any questions you have about the course. Keep living your best, healthiest life with Healthy Lifestyle TV.